Hi, welcome back to my Tech Tutorials Everywhere channel. Today, I will show you how to create AI-generated videos using text-to-video AI tools. We will test 3 different AI video generator tools in 2 different videos. So, let's get started.
1. RUNWAY ML version 2 AI video generator. RUNWAY ML is a paid AI tool, but for new accounts, you will receive 120 seconds of free credits. Visit the RUNWAY ML Gen 2 website and click the Try Now button. You can register using your email, Google, or Apple account. To create an AI-generated video using this tool, click on the Generate Videos menu in your account dashboard and select the Gen 2 option. Now, type your prompt. In this example, I will ask the AI tool to generate cinematic aerial video footage of a futuristic alien planet. You can edit the video settings by clicking the Settings button, such as activating interpolation for a smoother result. The upscale and remove watermark options are only available in the paid version. Currently, Gen 2 only supports 4 seconds of video duration. Click the Generate button to start generating your AI video. Once done, you can download the video by clicking the Download button. Here is the video result from this prompt. If you're not satisfied with the result, click the Generate button to instruct the AI tool to create another video. Now, let's try asking this AI tool to generate a video that shows an F-35 fighter jet and UFO dogfight scene. Here is the result. Now, let's try creating an underwater Atlantis City video. Here is the result. Finally, let's try creating an AI-generated video of Elon Musk eating a burger. You can also add an image as a reference for generation. To do that, click the Image button and select your image. After that, enter your prompt in the prompt box. Now let's try creating an AI-generated video from sample videos. Let's start with this speech video. Click Try This to copy the prompt for this video. You can edit the prompt or click Generate to use the current prompt. Here is the result. Now let's try this underwater video prompt. Here is the result.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye.